Welcome to Kingswood South, where big lots, quiet streets, and high-end homes meet a lifestyle people move out of the city for. And this one right here, it's the one you've been waiting for.
Welcome to 22 Pinehurst Way. This cab-over is nearly 2,000 square feet with room for the whole family, including a triple car garage and an incredible backyard. Joey is already out there.
And when we say triple car garage, we mean true versatility. 2 bays for everyday parking, and the third, heated, insulated, and ready for whatever you need. Don't worry, that'll be gone prior to possession.
And don't forget this massive driveway. Room for multiple cars, guests, and even that dream boat or RV you've been wanting.
The kitchen, total win. Plenty of countertop prep space, a great sized pantry, and the kitchen opens up right to your dining and living space. Here on the main floor, we have your primary bedroom with an ensuite and your laundry room just steps away. It's the kind of flow that makes everyday life feel so effortless.
Upstairs, we have 2 bedrooms, with the primary being tucked away here on the main floor. It's that cab-over design that gives families that extra privacy that they love.
The fully finished basement gives you another massive living space, a 4th bedroom, a full bathroom, and yes, a structural wood floor, which means warmth and durability year-round.
If you're looking for wide open spaces, room for the kids, or your 4-legged bestie, this corner lot has it all.
Whether it's summer barbecues, soccer practice, or dog zoomies, this backyard is a life upgrade.
22 Pinehurst isn't just a great house.
It's the kind of home Kingswood South is known for. Space, quality, and peace of mind. Come check it out. We would love to show you around.